Hello?
Hello,
Hello?
this is Mary calling you from your TV cable services. How are you?
I'm doing alright.
Actually, ma'am, I want to inform you that our company decided to cut your cable connection.
You decided to do what?
I said our company decided to cut your cable connection.
You're gonna cut my cable connection. Why would you do
Yes,
why would you do that?
because ma'am, you have not paid your last month cable bill.
Yes I have. Mine's auto debited. It comes directly out of my checking account.
Ma'am, there is some automatically issues. That's why we have not received any payment from your account automatically.
Well, I don't have a TV, so go ahead and cut it.
Okay, sure, ma'am.
Hello? God, you didn't pay your bill last month, so we're cutting your TV off. It's like, I don't have a TV for one thing, and that's the truth. I don't watch TV. And my cable is auto dead. It comes directly out of my checking account every month. So it has to be paid. Anyway, I couldn't understand her for a bit. Anyway, wow. You all take care. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Hello? Hello?
Hello, hi ma'am, this is Jack is calling from Cable Services. How are you doing today, ma'am?
I'm doing okay. You're calling from where?
I'm calling from Cable Services, ma'am. Television services.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ma'am. How are you doing today?
I'm doing alright.
That's great, ma'am. Well, ma'am, the reason of the call is that recently we have made some changes, so we just need to update your TV box. So by any chance, are you watching TV right now?
No, I don't have a TV. I have internet.
Oh, okay. Okay, ma'am.
Hello? How many boxes do you have? Yeah, I'd like to put you in a box. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Ma'am, I'm calling you from your electricity company. How are you doing today?
I'm doing alright.
So the reason of my call, ma'am, is that you were mistakenly overcharged on your electricity bill from last 3 months, and you are getting money back $150 right now, ma'am. Sounds good?
Yeah, just do like you always do when you overcharge. I mean, just put it on next month's bill.
And ma'am, electricity company also giving the discount to the senior citizen. Are you a senior citizen?
I'm 41, so I don't think so.
Oh my god. And you pays your bill by checkbook, ma'am, right?
No, it's auto debited. It comes directly out of the bank.
And you have a checking account, right, sir?
Yeah, but I'm a man.
So you have a checking account, ma'am, right?
Right.
You have a checking account, right, ma'am?
Yeah. Yeah, the power company.
You have a check.
Yes,
So,
the
ma'am,
power
have a
company automatically charges my bank. They send the bill to my bank.
And
My bank pays my power bill.
So ma'am, I already have your checkbook number in front of me. I am telling you your checkbook number and you just tell me that is correct or not, okay?
Alright.
Okay ma'am, please go and grab the checkbook and open in front of you.
Just read it out and I can tell you if it's right or not.
Ma'am, I am telling you, please go and grab the checkbook. I am reading your checkbook number and you just tell me that is correct or not.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
This guy is going to make me go get the checkbook, so I'll sit and talk to you all for a few minutes. This is really, this is worse than the one I put up last night. My videos go up at midnight. But anyway, this is going to be worse than that one, I think, because this one's really hateful and really bossy. So, we'll see. I'm back.
Okay, ma'am, you got a checkbook in front of you?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Wait a minute. I am transferring this call to my senior supervisor.
All right.
Okay, can you hear me now?
I hear you.
Okay, ma'am. So you got a checkbook, right?
Right.
Now we are done, ma'am. I'm the supervisor here. I will credit the money back and discount on your bill because you are a senior citizen.
At 41, I'm a senior. Okay.
Next case,
Whatever you say.
so your name I have on the check is S.
No.
R-N-E.
No.
Loan Bank, right?
Right.
And on the check, look on the bottom of the check down very left hand side.
Okay.
See the whole bunch of numbers.
Yeah, I see my routing number.
Yes, ma'am, yes. The bottom down left hand side. Read out the routing number.
No.
Why?
Because you're a scammer. My electric company doesn't do this. I've overpaid before where I'm on a budget. And when I overpay, they just add it, they just subtract it from my next month's bill. They never do anything back and forth with my bank. And he hung up. Well, this one, this one was clueless. Goodness, he was this. Oh, anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this. It's kind of short though, but anyway, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, this is Max calling you from your TV services. How are you doing today?
I'm doing all right. Call me from where?
Reason of call, ma'am, I just wanna inform you the signal frequency has been changed in your area, so we need to update your TV receiver boxes. Are you watching TV right now?
No, I'm not.
Please do me a favor and turn the TV on.
I have to go adjust the antenna. The wind was blowing. I use an antenna. I don't use a cable company.
Okay.
Hello? God, people, I'm giving away my age. I do remember when I was a little girl, we did have an antenna pulled in like 3-4 channels. And if the wind blew, you had to go like code adjust it. I don't know why. I don't know why I thought to say, oh well. I don't think he even knew what I was talking about. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Hello?
Hi, this is Jack calling you from your TV service. How are you doing today?
I'm doing all right.
That's great, ma'am. Ma'am, reason of my call, I just want to inform you the signal frequency has been changed in your area. So we need to update your receiver box. By any chance, are you watching TV right now?
I don't have a TV. I have internet. I don't need a TV.
Ma'am, but you have a TV from our TV cable service.
No, I don't.
From internet, ma'am, from your Spectrum internet.
I don't have Spectrum. Well, this might just be a short. I'll talk to you guys later.